Hello again, we're back for another fight. Here we go now. So like I said, every 2 hours you get a free fight, so here we are now. We'll see it at the bottom there, it's got 1 out of 4, 0 out of 35. So the 0 out of 35 is the ones you have to pay for, which averages around 0.2 ambrosia. Sometimes a bit less. And then, so yeah, let's take away these. We get the big team in, and off we go. So this is at normal speed. You can make it a bit faster, times 2. At the top you got the count, how long you've been fighting for. You have total turns, so if the total turns runs out and you're still alive, both sides, it's a draw. When you're a draw, all you get is 5 experience points, that is it. And you obviously fight on your tickets. So I did fight somebody this morning. He was 28,000 strength, and usually me being 32 you'd think I would destroy him, and he had one with health barrier. I'm not gonna lie, he was a cat with health barrier, and every time I attacked him just kept on using that attack, and I could not kill him. He couldn't kill me because he wasn't strong enough, and I couldn't kill him because he kept using that stupid move. So yeah, that's one to keep an eye out on. So there we are, that was short and sweet. Adios amigo. And I have ordered a new microphone which will be here tomorrow from Amazon Prime, so our audio quality should be a bit more improved, so stay tuned. Bye bye for now.